Well, thanks to World Book Day, which this year is on the 1st of March, this has been my very busy time of year for visiting schools, and I sadly had to cancel World Book Day because snow, and where I live was in the red alert area, and we got quite a lot of snow, and I just wouldn't have been able to get back home if I'd have gone to school, so I rearranged that. But this was at Upton Snodsbury School and near Worcester. And these are all 4- and 5-year-olds who I've been drawing with my new book, How to Draw Cat and Dog, and it's just great fun. I've been kind of working out how to do this kind of drawing thing with reception year and year ones and things for a few years, and it's really great to have the book that goes with it now. And they have all done absolutely beautiful drawings, and I just love doing this kind of thing. And then I go around and have a look, and they all do exactly the same drawing, but each one is entirely different, as they sort of have their own vision and sort of how much they've ever drawn, and their kind of ideas and thoughts. They all sort of come out in their drawings, and it's just the way they see the world. I love it. And the older children get, the more self-conscious they become, and the more they start worrying about their drawings. But at this age, they just draw for the love of it, and that's why I love doing it. But then came the snow. Well, I'm on the other side now, and somehow I've got to dig my way through to save Mrs. Rayner. How amazing, just yesterday I was digging out sort of 4 feet of snow to get the car out of the drive, and then, well, we live 1,000 feet up, 300 metres up, and coming down the hill this morning it was a bit snowy everywhere, some great drifts along the side of the road, but as I came lower and lower it kind of got better and better. And then down here, I'm in Bournemouth today. I'm going to be in a school tomorrow, and well, it's lovely. I'm having a lovely walk on the beach. I remember walking along here once, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago, and I was picking up stones and shells, and I found this really great cluster of shells. They're kind of like a little fist. And I thought, wow, they're really good. And I put them in my pocket with all these other shells and things I was picking up. Oh, here comes the waves. And then I forgot all about them in there, and then I put my hand in my pocket and something kind of grabbed hold of me, and it was like they come to life in my pocket. And sort of each one was a little shell on its own with sort of these little things coming out. So in the end it was like a hand kind of creeping out to get me. Ah! I could just sit and watch waves all day long. In fact, I had one vacation in Crete. That's pretty much all I did, was sit on the beach and watch and sketch the waves. Have a look, I'll put a link up to, you can see the sketchbook video that I made. I wonder what's going on here, where there's some memorial. I do like stones with holes in them, and that is one big hole in the stone there. It looks like it's kind of meant to be, doesn't it? I'll take that back to the hotel and draw it, I think. This guy's got a treasure sort of detector. But he's got this really interesting scoopy thing too. Thanks for watching, and you can support this channel and get so much more on my Patreon page. Click to find out more. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner Drawing channel on YouTube, and in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.